Okay, low 85, flaps 20.
$500.
All right, we're looking for 660 and no slower than 60.
All right, flaps below 70, full flaps. Quite a line, up a bit.
Nice, make gentle corrections so you don't overshoot. There you go.
Was that at ProFlight? And then 20559 on runway 16, taxi Alpha, state departure request.
Lock the numbers.
Tower 2 November Delta, like to come back for a landing.
Thank you.
Bit off a bit. Straighten up.
And Tower 6 November 602 November Delta, like to come back for a landing.
Bit back.
Cessna 2 November Delta, roger. Enter left downwind, and you don't make that turn unless I approve it next time.
I'll go around full power.
Got it. Enter left downwind, 2 November Delta.
Package 13 informed
hand on the throttle.
10 to 9
Hand on the
o'clock,
throttle.
1700 co-altitude, entering left downwind, Skyhawk.
Now smoothly start a climb. One notch of flaps, then hand right back on that throttle. Good, start a climb. Nice and smooth. Keep it
Package
coming.
13 informed traffic now.
Continue Park via Alpha Monitor Ground, 2 November Delta.
Sky 4 Quebec Papa, Renton Tower, make Lake Young's arrivals, traffic 12 o'clock, Skycatcher southbound.
Below 85.
85.
Tower, Cessna 4 Quebec Papa, traffic in Sky, making Lake Young arrival.
10 now.
Okay.
10.
$500.
Tower 2 November Delta, like to go back to the run-out box and then potentially back to the runway.
Back to November
What do you
Delta,
think?
runway 16, taxi Alpha.
60 Alpha 2 November Delta.
Speed is good.
All right.
Stabilize, flaps 25, full on.
All right, full. Below 70.
Below
Good.
70,
All right.
straighten out.
Okay, so my little, where am I?
Too much to the right.
Okay, so I'll just let it drift a little bit over to the left here, just a little. See how I just barely gave it anything and we're starting to drift over? A little slow, so I'm putting the nose down. Speed on the RPMs looks pretty good. Now when I start to see red, I'm going to add that power back a little bit here. So notice I'm keeping that nose nice and low. Now when I start to see the red, I'm going to add a bit of power. The nose will come up naturally. Flaps are currently configured, lights are all good. Add just a tiny bit more here. Let the nose come up naturally a little bit. Then, as we start to make the runway here, we'll make sure we're going to make it. I'll smoothly start reducing the power. Keep watching those numbers, keep watching those numbers, keep watching those numbers. Now switch to the end of the runway, continual, gradual reduction of power. As the runway gets closer, you pull up. Just let all the airspeed drift out. Notice I went a little right of center line, so I added a little bit of left. All right, flaps up, let the nose come down naturally. Carb in, power full. And rudder to stay on center line. Gentle with the rudder. Airspeed's alive. Engine instruments look good. 50. And
Tower, cancel takeoff
Caution,
clearance. Hold short
terrain
16.
ahead.
Below?
Yeah, hold short
500.
16.
below 85, flaps 20.
Flaps 20.
All right.
On ground, say again.
Gentle left turn here. And continue your descent. Don't let the nose get too high. See how when you added those flaps, the
Cessna
nose...
6043 Mike Renton ground, runway 16, taxi Alpha.
All right, let's reduce our power a little bit. Seems like we're pretty high. Let's
Sky
go
4
down
Quebec
quite a
Papa,
bit.
number 2, phone Skycatcher base of final,
There we
runway
go.
16,
Keep
clear touch
turning
and
in.
go, left coast traffic.
Trying to line up with that. There you go, a little bit more.
16 clear touch and go.
So that way we don't
Number 2,
overshoot.
traffic inside, left coast traffic.
All right, a little less power now. Just a slight more, little less power.
This power on the red.
I know, but we're still looking at our speed. So what you can do is just pitch up a little bit. There you go, and then our speed is going to be perfect. Now let the nose fall back down. We're going to be right on glide slope in just a moment. All right, below 70, flaps full.
Below 70, flaps full.
There you go. So you see our speed was slightly too high. All I did was pitch up and keep the power where it was. All right, now let the nose come back down. See how your speed is about 59? Let the nose come down. Add just a little bit of power. Anyway, there's fine. Good. Now gentle, small pressure changes because you're pretty much right where you want to be. A little bit more to the right. A little bit of nose down. There you go. Gently drift over. Good. And then come back to level flight. There you go. A little bit more to the left. Nose down just a little bit more. Now smoothly start walking the power out. Look at the end of the runway.
Delta, number
Start
2,
pulling
phone
back.
Cessna left base, runway 16,
All
clear
right,
to land.
power idle.
Number 2,
Power all the way
162
out.
to land.
Good,
2
and
November
just
Delta.
continue that back pressure. Keep pulling. All the way idle. All the way idle, otherwise we won't come down. There you go. Pull, pull, pull. Nice. Flaps up. Good. Carb heat cold. Stay on center line gently with the rudder and power full. Full power. There you go. All the way in. Gentle with the rudder. Part of that is your nose was coming down.
500.
Notice now we're slightly high. That's partially because you put in a little extra power.
Can't get away with that.
No, no sir.
Below
Below 85. Flaps 20. Very good. Fight the nose up. Ooh, nice. Good job. You fought it early. Ah, but now you're letting it bring it up on you. There you go. Let's take some power out and start your final turn. Good. Nice. Smooth change in airspeed. I like that. Ah, let's take a little more power out. Yep, reduce even further. Still high. Good. And then let the nose stay low naturally. You don't want to get above 70 because our next notch of flaps needs to come in. Good. A little bit more to the right. You see we're undershooting a little bit? Good. Below 70 flaps full.
Tower, Skyhawk 602 November
Setting
Delta, holding
flaps
short, runway 16, number 2,
Good. Let
Lake
the
Young
nose come
departure.
down, otherwise you'll lose all your
November
airspeed.
Delta, Renton Tower, hold short 16.
Let the nose come down.
Short 16.
See how we're too
Delta.
slow? Or below 60, there you go. Add a little bit of power now too. A little more. Let the nose come down a little bit. Good.
Skyhawk 3 Juliet Alpha, your number 3, phone Skyhawk, base to final, runway 16, clear touch and go.
All right, drift over to center line. There you go.
Number 3,
Gentle
runway
corrections.
16, clear touch and go, 3 Juliet Alpha.
Good, getting slow. Go around, full power. Full power, there you go. Starter climb, good, carpet in. Carpet in. Good, hand back to the throttle.
Renton Tower says now.
All right, now,
Position, enter left downwind behind that traffic.
Entering downwind behind that traffic, 37, come back.
Jacket your 43 Mike, traffic is a Skyhawk over
that was
over the golf
20
course,
flaps.
1,500
That's okay, we were below
down. Do you have that
85.
traffic?
We were below.
Okay, good.
I checked.
We're looking for
Okay.
that traffic, 43 Mike.
Just as long as you're aware. All right, nice, good job with the
Oh, we
power.
have that traffic inside, 43 Mike.
43 Mike, Lake Young's turnout behind that traffic is approved, thank you.
Lake Young's approved, 43 Mike.
Nice job
Skyhawk
using
3 Juliet Alpha, your number 3, phone Skok ahead on downwind, turning left base, runway 16, clear touch and go, your traffic's full stop.
Nice job using your trim.
500.
Traffic inside, runway 16, clear touch and go, 3 Juliet Alpha.
All right. Reduce that power a little bit. We're still kind of fast and
Renton Tower,
high,
this
so
is
just take a little bit of power away.
Delta, holding short, runway 16,
Lock in
Alpha
those
1.
numbers. Try and
Business
adjust for the center
635 November
line.
Delta, Renton Tower, hold short 16.
Hold short, 16, 635 November Delta.
All right. Since you made a strong pitch up correction, let's make sure that you adjust with the power.
How did
Oh.
you even know that?
Because I'm watching. You think I'm not here? I'm watching. Good. Add that power. Below 70, flaps full.
Flaps full.
Nice. All right. Looking pretty stable. Now let's start to consider taking a little bit of that power back away. Don't get below 60 though. Yeah, so it looks like we probably need to leave the power in. You might even need to add just a hair here. Good. Let the nose stay low for a bit. Stay on center line. There you go. Nice gentle corrections.
There's now 37, back to your number 3, phone Skok ahead on
All right, now
downwind,
you
runway
can smoothly
16,
start
clear
walking
land.
that power out. Watch the
37
end of the
back,
runway.
number 3, clear to
Begin
land.
your gradual addition of back pressure, pull, pull. All right, flaps, wait a second. We'll keep that back pressure in until the plane slows. There we go, flaps
Skyhawk
up.
1 with you, number 3, phone a Skyhawk, approach and left
Nice,
downwind
don't
will be
let
on
the
a
nose
flight
come up.
extended base, runway 16, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway
Let's
16,
make this
number
final
3,
turn a little bit
200.
early. Let's start turning now. Good. Nice, and then just, yeah, make it a gentle turn so that you can kind of end up on center line there. I would reduce a little bit more power.
500.
All right, below 70 flaps full. Good, keep an eye on that runway. Start thinking about getting on center line so you can start your turn. And then keep an eye on your airspeed as well. Don't let it go below 60. Good job putting the nose down to fix
Skyhawk
your
1 with
airspeed.
you, traffic's in the base now, over call
Once you
1
start seeing red, add some power.
Traffic inside, 2 on whiskey.
Nice. Might even need to add a little bit more and just a little pitch up. Start drifting a little bit back that way because we're going to overshoot that line. If we don't, add a little bit more power. Right about there. Nice. If it gets too slow again, add some more. Right about there. Perfect. Keep it headed in. Be a
Scout
just a
5
hair
November
more
Delta,
power.
extend your downwind. You're following the Skyhawk, mid-Mercer Island, 1,700 on the RNAV.
Nice. Looks really stable.
Number 2,
Make those gentle inputs.
November
Little bit of
November
nose
Delta,
down.
you're not number 2. Extend your downwind. Just look for that traffic.
Little bit of nose down. Right there.
November Delta.
Now smoothly start walking the power. Pinches at a time. Good. Keep the nose low for a moment.
Here's 5 Yankee Victor, Ren Tower, hold short 16.
All right. Now look at the end of the runway. Power idle. Back pressure. Good. And just let the plane stabilize for a moment. Then continue working the back pressure in as we start to descend. All right. I helped you out a little bit there. Flaps up. Carpet in. Yep. Powerful. Smooth corrections with the rudders. Ooh, gentle on the rudder. There you go. All the way in on the power.